Hello, this is Sophia. Thank you for joining me on this tutorial video on how to start a Zoom meeting. Yesterday we sent out a Zoom meeting invitation, and today we're going to begin on how to start from a host perspective. I hope you enjoy it. Let's begin. There are just a couple of things to remind you before the meeting begins. We want to start the meeting at least 10 minutes before it begins so that you don't want to rush into anything and have everything prepared before the meeting. Although there's no face-to-face in person, but you can see them on Zoom. Make sure you send them the link to watch my video on how to add virtual background before the meeting begins, okay? So you want to make sure you look legit, and if you want to look professional, you will want to have a microphone and a earphone. So on the desktop, you will look for the Microsoft window logo again on the lower left-hand corner and click on Zoom and start Zoom. This is the page that it's going to look like in the center of this presentation. You will want to click on Sign In as a host. Okay, so now you're in the sign in page. You will want to sign in with your Zoom account information, with your email address and password. If you didn't sign up with that information, then you can go in with Google or with Facebook on the right. After signing in, this is the page it's going to show up, and you will want to click on that blue button on the right. Even though there's no one there at the meeting, and since you're the host, you could go ahead and go in first. You're going to get a meeting reminder pop-up message on the lower right-hand corner like this one. And it depends on how many minutes you set up when you send out the invitation. And this message will pop up on the lower right-hand corner. And you notice that your screen is not a full screen. You will want to click on the Enter Full Screen on the upper right-hand corner where I pointed the red arrow key. So now you have a full-size screen. And make sure you adjust camera angle so that you look at your best. And we're at the end of the meeting. You will want to click on this button on the lower right-hand corner where it says End in red. So that's how you end your meeting. So this is the end, and I hope you like my video. If you liked it, please give me a thumb up and subscribe to my channel. And there's going to be more videos coming out in the near future. And please come and watch and learn with me. Thank you.